Going on a cruise? Don't forget these essential items to make your cruise that much more enjoyable and comfortable. First up, bathing suits. Now I think that might be obvious and you're probably already planning on packing a bathing suit, but I recommend bringing 3 pairs of bathing suits, maybe 4, because they just don't dry out very quickly inside of your cabin, and so that way you'll always have a dry pair to wear. Also, it depends on the length of your cruise. If I'm doing a 7 or 8 day cruise, I'm bringing 3 or 4 pairs of swim trunks. Okay, so there we go. More bathing suits than you think you might need. Next up is a little poncho. Depending on the excursions you're going to be doing, you may want to have a poncho with you. It's really lightweight, and you can just put it in your shorts and your pants or a little backpack. And then if it rains on you, you can just throw this on and stay dry. So a little poncho. Earplugs. I did a review video on earplugs, and the Max brand earplugs are my favorite. And this will help you sleep better, especially if you're rooming with someone that snores. Earplugs. A little travel pouch. I like a little travel pouch like this, a little satchel that you can just wear with you on excursions, and you can put money, you can put your sail card in there, and maybe a little towel, maybe a water bottle. You can put Sunblock in there, and you can just, it's better than taking your whole backpack around with you. Next, I always do travel insurance, so I have my travel insurance card with me. Next, I have a little sack for my laundry, little laundry bag. I like to have my dirty clothes separated in my laundry. And for me, I have Invisalign, so I have my next round of trays for my Invisalign. Something I really love are these cruise tags. Instead of stapling the cruise, your room for your bags, your luggage, these little cruise tags are awesome, and they work perfect for holding your little luggage tag in there. And I just picked it up on Amazon, and I'll put links down below in the description where you can find all these cool items. Little travel toothpaste. Really like the little travel toothpastes. Extra sunblock, extra sunscreen, of course. I like the spray kinds. Dramamine. This is very helpful if you get seasick. So what I do is I'll just take a tablet of Dramamine. I don't even know if I get seasick. I just take Dramamine every morning, and I never get sick. You could also do the patch. There's a variety of ways to do that. I have a sleep aid that I bring with me just in case I can't fall asleep. A little sleeping aid. You can do melatonin or the little sleeping pill. I bring some ibuprofen just in case, because if you do get a headache and you're on ship, it's going to be more expensive to buy things like ibuprofen. This right here, just a cheap little extension cord, is amazing to have, especially on some of the older ships. They won't have outlets right next to the bed, and usually it's going to be by the desk. And so what I do is I plug this in by the desk, and I can run it over to where I'm sleeping, and so I can plug in my phone, I can plug in my travel fan, things like that. A lightweight towel. I love this towel. It's full size, and it dries super quickly, but it's not bulky and not heavy. So these lightweight towels are awesome. All the extra cords that you might need for your phone and whatnot, and your tablet, things like that, make sure to bring those. If you have a laptop, bring your laptop. I always kind of work on my trips, so I'm bringing a laptop. A hat. You want to keep your head protected and covered, especially if you're going to be in the sun a lot. A nice little backpack, travel backpack. Even if you're going to the Caribbean or somewhere warm, make sure to bring a light sweatshirt for those somewhat chillier nights. If you're going to be doing a lot of video, pick up a GoPro. GoPros are amazing. I film a lot of my underwater photography or videos with a GoPro. This is the 13. I love this thing. An extra power bank. This is my favorite power bank. It has all these extra cords to plug in whatever you might need to plug it into, and it lasts a really long time. I think you can charge a full phone dead to fully charged like 4 or 5 times with this power bank. I have a little floaty device that I can use to hold on to, but also it will float, and I attach my GoPro to that for all my GoPro filming. And then I have extra batteries for my GoPro in here, right here I have 3 batteries in total. And then lanyards. You may not think to bring a lanyard, but a lanyard is awesome. You can attach your sail card to this and then keep it around your neck so you don't lose your sail card. Next, I have my favorite water shoes. I always bring these for any excursions where I might be going in the water. These are super cheap, super comfortable. There's like 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link to these as well in case you want to pick these up. I love these things. I've taken them on many trips and they're still holding up. I love to sleep with a fan. If you don't care about sleeping with a fan, don't worry about this. So I bring this little Amazon Basics fan and I plug this one in. I do have a cool travel fan for camping that runs on battery, but I don't bring that one because I can just plug this in and it's a little bit louder and it takes out white noise a lot better. So there we go. And then I like to bring just some extra plastic bags in case you get something that's wet and you're about ready to travel home or something, or like those water shoes, you can put them in some plastic bags. And then just toiletries. I won't go over the toiletries. There's nothing really special here. I just bring what I need for myself. Certain items like stuff for my beard, stuff to shave my head so the hair doesn't get out of control, what little hair I have on my head, floss, different things in here. That's pretty explanatory. So there you go. Those are some helpful items that you may not have thought to bring on your cruise. Take care and happy cruising, everyone.